Hello, sophomores. So here we are at our research unit. A good first step in narrowing down your topic for research is to do some general broad spectrum searching around the topic of interest. Get familiar with some key features of the topic, some specific words associated with the topic that might not be known to the general public, might not be part of a bank of common knowledge around the topic, and some basic ideas or perceptions that surrounded your perceptions and the perceptions of others. The purpose of this broad spectrum Google search is to develop this background knowledge, and you probably won't use these particular sources in your final product, but that's fine. You're going to get your feet wet, so to speak. So I want you to spend about 15 to 20 minutes Googling 3 potential topics and then write a few sentences about what you discovered for each of the 3 topics. Step 2 is to refine your search a bit more using the news sources this time that are listed on the chart, again with your 3 potential topics. And then after you finish with that, you're going to move on to an activity that is below the chart. This involves listening to a brief lecture and then doing a matching activity. Finally, you'll conduct your own Boolean search and record your results. So at the end of checkpoint 1, you should have a better idea of what your topic might be. So happy researching, everybody.